Welcome, this is Air Fryer Tuck, and today we will be preparing the All-American hot dog, known by different names throughout the country, as the Frankfurter, the Frank, the Wiener, the ballpark sausage, or even just the footlong for that special extra long hot dog. It's fast and easy to make, and best of all, it'll be just as much fun to make as it is to eat. Now there are many different brands and varieties in which you can get the hot dogs. The most common is the pork and beef, but you can also get the all beef hot dog, a kosher hot dog, a turkey hot dog, a chicken hot dog, and even a vegan hot dog. It's a non-meat meat for non-meat eaters. Personally, I don't get it, but more power to them. To each his own, and different strokes for different folks. You might say, Air Fryer Tuck, how much can you say about a hot dog? Well, don't forget, it's not what you do, but how you do it. So let's go do it. Let's go ahead and open the packet of hot dogs. This one happens to be 8 to a case. And we'll just go ahead and open it. Now one thing I like to do is I like to put little cuts in the hot dogs. It helps in several reasons. One of you or two, some people like to soak them in, let's say, liquid smoke, or any other seasoning that you might like, just to add a little flavor to them. It helps soak in the flavor to the cuts. Also, when they cook, it does add a little excitement to the finished product. Go ahead and do that, and finish the rest the same way. The hot dogs are ready to go in the basket. Leave a little room between them for the air to flow. And the basket is ready to go in the air fryer. Now remember that all air fryers are different. Some people like it 4 minutes for 400 degrees, 5 minutes for 350 degrees, or 6 minutes for 300 degrees. You'll just have to test yours to your personal preference. Mine happens to be 370 for 7 minutes. It gives it that little crisp without overwhelming the flavor. And again, this is my personal preference. Let's see how it looks. Well, look at that. Don't they just look delicious? They can either just be eaten like that with a side dish, or be placed on a bun and add the condiment of your choice. Now, if you liked today's video, you found it educational or maybe even just entertaining, go ahead and give me a like. And better yet, subscribe so you'll be alerted on any upcoming videos. And thank you for supporting my channel here at Air Fryer Tuck, where everything for my kitchen is oh so heavenly.